Hi friends, this is Gangadhar. Today we're gonna see the stocks which have been holded, and I have made some few investments today for few stocks with a small corpus. Let's see what will be the things today. So this is the stocks which I have made a purchase: IRFC, Lakshmi Chemical, Coal India, JSW Energy, Star Cement, ICICI Bank, Tata Power, and Ease My Trips. So these are well stocks. You can get a good profit from the stocks. Let's go for the position which I have today. So you can see that I made a purchase at the time of around 3 o'clock. So the right now the time is around 3:20. So I can see JSW, Tata Power, and ICICI Bank. This is Lakshmi Chemical. Okay, the power, the energy, these things, JSW Energy and the Tata Power, it was a good return around 1% to 2% within a 10 to 20 minutes of time. Even in future we can expect for the big returns. Even I already have the stocks of Tata Power with the holdings. Ease My Trip suddenly felt around 5 to 6%. So the loss will be around 230 rupees. It will be getting back around 1 or 2 days. So for Coal India, already the report has came very nominal, very normal update, financial report. So due to that, it's getting like low. So we can expect in few days to get touch around 160 rupees of average per share. And Ease My Trip. So we can see there is JSW Energy around 1.5% has been increased within 10 minutes. So I will suggest you that which is the best share which we can purchase right now for the future. Actually, this YouTube channel is totally based only for the future investment, not intraday F&O buys, puts, and not and all the things. We are totally processing and giving ideas to future investment persons only. So as of now, we are totally processing these things. So for more details, subscribe to YouTube channel. Please share the videos to your friends and all the things who need to save the funds in stock market with the safety margin. So this is the investment I made today around 25,000. So in 25,000 I made a good profit, you know around 50 100 around it was 150. But sudden twist it has been happened in the Easy Trip. Within next 5 to 10 minutes it has felt around 6% of the price from the share from the price. So this is unexpected twist. That's fine. Market it will be ups and downs. This is not a big matter. See, finally which I can see is just 100 rupees of loss. So still we have some times to close the market. Within that we can take it up. Otherwise we can see by tomorrow the market will be bit okay. So we can recover these things. The 100 is not a matter. Okay, fine. We can go for my holdings, which I have holded for the past 1 year. So this is Adani. So the price which I bought average on 91 rupees. The latest price is around 120 rupees. Actually the prices went for around 150 rupees. So due to this Adani stocks issues in Mauritius, that they have made 45,000 crores investment, the account has been freezed, the demat account has been freezed. So all the Adani ports, Adani Power, Adani Gas, all the things has been crashed around 20 to 30% of the current price. So let's hope for the best, because Adani price we cannot able to confirm what will be the future price. So I have not made any purchase recently. I'm waiting for the time. Okay, let's see in future how the Adani stocks. So right now we are not suggesting any Adani stocks due to some this type of issues. We can go for the next. It is Alok Textiles. Alok Textiles, which I purchased before 1 year for the rate of 37. Before 1 month it was around 15 rupees, 20 rupees. So right now within last 2 days it has came around 28 rupees. So this is a good time to invest of Alok Textiles for the future. So you can get a good results, and you can get a good profit from this. Ambuja Cement, this is a good stock, all the prices been increased, so you will get a good profit from this. Anantraj, Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland, yeah, this will be a good stock. And you see that which I bought 41 rupees around on the average cost of 205 shares. Right now it is 65 rupees. The profit is around 60 percentage. And Bill Care, so this is around 20 percentage of this. Bill Care, this company is totally a healthcare process, so we can expect a good return from this. Viacom, for the last quarter it has came very low, so due to that this company is getting very low shares, so we can hold for that. Burger King, there is no outlets open, so due to this maybe we can expect some these things. We have to wait for the opportunity. Cadillac, where a lot of approvals is done, Cadillac will be the good stock in future. QME, Carborundum Universal, this is a manufacturing unit, you can get a good profit from this. So you can see in this Happiest Minds, I just made a trial of this Happiest Minds at the time of IPO. The time of IPO I purchased, it was 310 rupees, but now it has came around 919 rupees, around 100 200 times profit. Okay, so and India Cements, this is due to last time report, it has been affected, we'll see in future. So this is my holdings, which you can see here. I have bought Tata Power at 94, now it was running at 123 rupees. Tata Motors at 297, running at 345 rupees. Wipro bought at 350, now it was 560 rupees around. So my profit is around 20%. I have invested 1,85,000, and today we have made 25,000 rupees as investment. So we'll get some good benefit, but we have to wait for the future. This is not a holding like for 1 month, 2 months. We have to wait for the good positive stocks. So fine, the day is in. So this is my final output. So for the next video I will update you with good stocks for your future investment. Okay, let's see. Bye bye.